Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can withdraw from Vault to Revolut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Revolut application and log in with your account. After that, you will see the homepage of it. Overall stats are available on its homepage so that you won't need to go anywhere to check them and saves a lot of your time. Anyways, so now click on the hub icon at the bottom left corner in the icons tray. Here you will see a lot of options to select from. Just click on the vault option here. If you can see it here, just use the search bar to locate it. And after that, the vault option will show up in front of you. Inside the vault option, select the desired vault you want to withdraw from and tap on it. You can notice that there's a withdraw button right beside the add money button. After that, it will ask you to enter the amount of the funds you want to withdraw from the vault. You can also select the percentage of what you have inside the vault, or you can also manually input the amount. After that, just click on confirm button at the bottom and you're done. That's how you can withdraw from Vault to Revolut. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.